Hey guys, Wildlife Thunder, and today we'll be playing War Thunder. I just got in the match right now. Let's go. I spot an enemy. Let's go. So yeah, story of Oliver and stuff like that. Come on, the enemy is somewhere like there. Where my crosshair is aiming. Wait a minute, he's trying to flank him. Freak you! Freak you! Freak you! Freak you! Freak you! Freak you! He's trying to block me, bro. Can't penetrate, no problem. Time to get this guy that was shooting me. Mercy. So I want to get revenge. How? Aviation is on the way. Come on. Got him. Chillax, bro. We do. Have to attack, bro. Back. I saw his cannon stick out. Okay, kill assist. Finally, hostile teams capturing the zone. Come on. Yo, yo! Bruh. Bet. Gonna go with that bet. Let's go to the B point really quick. Let's go. Come on. Right. Turn. Got him. Got him. I think I'm good. Wait. Join. Alright. Let's go attack the C point. 4 tanks killed is great. Bro, I got hit by the artillery. One of my front tires are. Fine, 3 artillery strikes. Hopefully I snipe him down. Stop, bro. Come on, we need to win this match. No, where did he come from? Last tank, SC-100. Bomb him. Well, of course an enemy's gonna go. 4, 3, 2, 1, and leave the vehicle. To his vehicle. Now we're losing. 5 tanks killed. Can I like snipe? Yeah, we sadly lost. Okay. Frick. Cancel. Let's just get the German tank. The heavy one. So what's it called? It says... what does it say in the tasks? Cause look, several hours. I'm about to get 1,000. Yeah, you have to use the German vehicles 9 times. Bet. So we put here this. Then we put here. No, Leopard 1 here. Just get this. Wait. Boost level 4. 68. Style. Thank you. 40. Machine gun belts. Tracer belts. Reload system. Artillery support. Accuracy very far. Yeah. Go to battle with these damn German vehicles. Oh my god. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 or 4 matches left, so that's like, I don't know. I'm just gonna watch on my Nokia. Oh, we're starting. Let's go. Domination American Desert. let's go with the Jagdtiger. Okay, that is a long reloading. But I don't really care. Time to snipe these high tiers. Yeah, it's kind of fast, like 30-40 seconds it takes. What the freak? Did my ammo just go Come on, reload. Go. Hit. Why can't I use my machine gun? Please. No. Oh no. Yeah, I know. Well, time to use the rocket tank. Which shoots our rockets. Falcon, bro. We're coming back. He's coming back. No, he's going even further. No. Oh my god, it's Falcon, bro. Yeah, you wanna come? Bet. Stop, bro. Yeah, that's what happened when you play peekaboo with me. Mouse? The mouse? Bro, how was I supposed to kill him though? There's literally a mouse there. Oh, wish me luck, I guess. I'm going to the 8 points. To get this damn mouse. Drift. The mouse got killed for some reason. See if he's facing that way. I think I like sniped him from here. Yeah, I gotta go. Bro, just trying to kill them though. Oh wow. Alright, next match. Like it didn't show last time, you know. Just stretch out a little bit. Saturday again, then Sunday. I just wish the holidays could be right now. Oh yeah, my birthday is on December 12th. I mean, December 2nd. Sorry, my memory's a little bit. December 2nd is my birthday. Time to go to the side. Wait, where is the side? Oh, it's here. Cause I'll snipe some tanks with this missile. Oh, we got another one. We got a fellow crewmate. What the freak? Alright. Jagdtiger? Can I snipe him? No. I barely did a scratch to him. So, Jagdtiger versus Jagdtiger. Is he looking at me or that way? That way. Gotta use my mini machine gun. Back. Block me. Be a star, man. I can't penetrate this damn T-10A. Someone sniping me from the side. There he is. Yeah, let's go now. What? Fine, I'm just gonna go attack them. These people are just camping there. Don't use my heat. This time decide. Like, I'm not blind. I'm trying to do something and they're just attacking me. Like, they just don't trust German players. Tracks are damaged. Please. Not you, bro. I'm in it. Let's go. First time. Got him. 2 tanks killed. Go to the side here. Fucking like penetrate him. Okay, I got him. No, okay. I know there's a tank right here somewhere. Let me figure out where the hell is he. There he is. Oh, he's definitely getting revenge. What? He's not. He wasn't even on the map. He's cheating. He's not even on the map. Battle pass. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, German vehicles. I'm about to unlock the Weasel. So hopefully I can get good kills, like 8. But War Thunder Mobile's kind of unfair. I got 8 kills and I only got 219 stars. So unfair though. Last time I got 2,000 with 18 kills. Like 5,000. Stretching. And just check my helicopter. Alright, we're starting. Let's go with... Yeah, I want to snipe some people. I'm going with the rocket tank again. 100%, 43%, yeah. Yes, I am returning to the battlefield. Just going to stay right here. Okay, maybe we should go attack further. Yeah, let's go attack. Mouse? Oh my god! I've got my first mouse ever. Get him. Miss. Stop playing, bro. Bro, this kid, bro. He's just camping there, like, staying there. But I'm gonna use my heat and attack. Now, but that is my first time killing a mouse, bro. No way. And I didn't even see him. It was just like, yeah, you can't see me. But where the freak is this guy now? There he is. Snipe him here. Come on, come out. Got him. Get him. Yeah, let's go to him. Oh my god. Just stop hiding. Oh my god. Stop hiding for God's sake. Come on, I'm trying to get to him. This kid. Well, that's great. This kid, bro. Bet. Camper, wait, what if I actually, like, go to him? Because he's camping there. Yeah, I know. I sent an artillery there. Yeah, to hangar. Bro, he's just camping there. Like, seriously. Camper. Yeah, we got the weasel. How much? Bruh. Wish you could get the weasel for free, though. Let's go. 2 victories. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch a few ads. Or actually next time. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. And see you later.